Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick explanation on how you can use Typefully, the best X or Twitter scheduling tool in 2025. This tool is super useful for planning, drafting, and scheduling tweets to grow your audience efficiently. So the first thing that you will have to do is look for typefully.com on your web browser. And once you're here, you will just have to click sign up, and then of course you do have to sign up with your Twitter or X account and then allow permissions. And then after that, after signing up, you will just have to create a draft or thread by clicking new tweet, and then you will type your message. And for threads, you will just have to click plus add tweet, and then you will continue adding. And then after that, you will just have to click schedule, so it should be right here somewhere. And then you will just have to select the date and time and then confirm. And yeah, that's basically just it. And then Typefully automatically post at scheduled time, and monitor notifications and interactions on Twitter and X. And yeah, that's how you can use your Typefully to schedule and manage your tweets. And like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.